Today, students were able to see a watershed model, a demonstration of a model. We had representative from UTRGV that came in and helped assist in that demonstration to show them exactly how groundwater is actually flowing through underneath us and up to the surface. So the McAllen Education Foundation opens up applications every year to teachers, and teachers that have visions of projects but maybe not the financial capabilities for their students to engage in those projects.
What we're really working towards this year is to get more teachers involved in the grant application. We're trying to make it a little easier process because we do see that there's value in what we bring as a committee, as the McAllen Education Foundation, and we just hope that there's more teachers that get involved themselves and help the students. So for us, it's interesting to see where education is shifting and to be able to help drive that with some of our fundraising and the things we do outside of the school scene brings a lot of pride back into the city. And so for us, it's really exciting.